Looking for the best mops? In this video we look at some of the top 3 mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Libman Freedom Spray Mop. Pros: built-in sprayer makes mopping a breeze. Mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Microfiber heads are reusable. Cons: tank is awkward to fill and is prone to developing leaks. Bottom line: multiple handy features make this Libman mop worth considering despite a few quirks. At number 2. Libman Wonder Mop and Refills Kit. Pros: sports a durable, reusable head that's made of real cotton and is machine washable. Simple to operate with a built-in wringer. Reasonable price. Cons: mop head occasionally sheds strands of fibers. Bottom line: classic twist-style mop by a top brand. Its no-frills design appeals to customers who need a simple cleaning tool. At number 1. BISSEL Power Fresh Steam Mop. Pros: cleans and sanitizes sealed hardwoods without using harsh chemicals. Eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria with natural steam. Multiple steam settings. Quick heating time. Cons: the priciest pick on our short list. Bottom line: the top performing model is renowned for its effectiveness and numerous settings. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.